Oh, I missed a key and I lost my ride.
What about you also ran a Robo Craig was in that one. You're so fucking dumb.
Come here, little key. Haha, I got you all.
Hey, Christ right there. Did you see the cross sign?
Praise Jesus.
Almighty Jeebus. What the fuck was that?
Your mom.
Ah! Do not jump! But I don't think
I
it's
got
safe.
past this already.
Come on, Walt. What the fuck's it say? Slut?
I don't know how to spell.
It has like a sunfish emoji. Oh, hell, James!
I fell off.
Oh my god, I could have made that with ease! I didn't need a ride! Man, please! Look at you fucking up. Sluts for life.
Dicks are for chicks.
Amazing.
Uh-oh.
This is doing killing a person that way. Ah! Go down! One up piece for two.
Woo-woo!
You needed it! That opens the door!
Ha! I saved it.
Fuck! Hey! Start saying down below!
Oh! I'm the one.
Guys, that was me who did that danger stunt, but that was the dumbass who just did that.
I am the one.
I am the one. We ain't gonna get shit on the... Oh, fuck. Ah! Don't miss your ride.
Stay your plumber ass on this freaking thing. Ooh. Gross.
Remember, Spiky Stain.
Spiky game.
Oh my god, free
Come
ride!
here.
Okay. We should start acting like monkeys. Message for them shall be called acting like monkeys with rage.
And then we get in trouble. Acting like monkeys at age 13.
Why'd you do it?
I just got balls in the face.
I just got teabagged.
I just got a big ball in my face.
I just got teabagged.
Weird.
But where was the air ball? Ah! Come on, man.
I'm scared. Come
You
on,
know, I haven't uploaded...
Come on, bro. Come at me.
I haven't uploaded another level of Super Mario Maker to the world in like 2 months. Dang, it's over! Mario just got his ass KO'd.
I'm at 52 lives on the second level.
Oh my god, Walter. Even I want to be that. What the fuck? Look a boss. Look boss. Look a boss. I know, right? Thanks. And I'm sexy like a beast.
Stop saying
Beast. Beast. Like a beast. Sexy like a
they're
beast.
just loading me with those stars because I can't do it.
Don't jump to something.
I jumped.
Oh! It's a spiky stain.
Here's your doggy. Oh wait.
Kill someone.
Wait, hold on, can I? Oh, not that.
Kill him. You can kill him with the fireballs. Make a big fireball.
Fireballs in the face.
Go make a big one. Make a big one. See?
Oh.
See?
Hold on, I'm gonna get higher ground because I'm smart. Oh god, that dog almost got me.
God, you got break 4 blocks.
No, I don't.
Oh, I know.
I can just.
Holy
squeeze
shit, where the
through.
fuck are we? Fire! Did you listen?
Oh, no! Take my balls of fire.
Where the fuck are we getting going? Hey, which one do we take? You chose number 2. Run! Run!
What the fuck?
Oh shit! Go back out the pipe!
Ha! I got you.
Where the fuck are we?
Watch out for the balls. Come on, you can squeeze through there. Yeah.
Yeah, boost!
Oh.
I knew we had to go on number 3. I was gonna choose that anyways.
Oh god, come on.
Oh shit! Check for stuff! Guard to the left. Now guard to the right. And clap your hands and get on your feet. Oh shit, we are so well, you're fucked.
You Bowser. Leave me alone.
Oh shit. You ain't jumping too high.
I don't like you, Bowser.
Ow, I got fucking some ankle. What the fuck? Dumbass.
Dumbass, you were. That was a good try. I got far.
Well, unfortunately, there are no checkpoints. I think it's called Super Expert. Which one are you on, mine or Sammy's? I also think so. No, that means this is only Expert because I don't have Super Expert unlocked.
Yeah, no, I'm expert.
You ain't Expert! You will pass look. You've got that. You will be on level 5 by now.
I'm a reindeer.
I'm a reindeer. You should make a song about that. I'm a reindeer. Make it like a rock song.
I'm a reindeer.
I'm a reindeer.
Am I sexy yet?
Little. What the fuck is my life anymore? What the fuck is yours? Oh, watch out! You forgot, didn't you?
You forgot you were gay.
You forgot, didn't you? I'm a reindeer.
I'm a reindeer.
Oh, yeah!
I'll sing it for you. I'm a reindeer.
I'm a reindeer.
No. I'm a reindeer.
I'm a reindeer.
I'm a reindeer.
I'm a reindeer. Don't forget, watch out. It's a doggy!
Yeah, you doggy. I'm not doggy.
Oh shit! What the Okay. Bam.
Danger.
Oh my god! Oh. You gotta go in the second pot again.
Did you just say pot? Second pot?
Pipe.
Second pot. Go on.
I go through the pot to get in.
Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, I was about to say, just do that, man. Ah! Here it goes. I'm a
Fuck you,
reindeer.
Bowser. I got past him.
Oh, oh, savage. Savage. What's he doing? Oh, oh. Nope.
What the fuck is this?
Oh, okay. You made it! I did it all, people! Thank you for joining me on making it all on my own. Oh, I'm just taking so much credit. 49 lives. Wow.
That was the hardest level. Ah, I got a new record at least.
Yes! Hey, by the way, this is on my account, so that means I got the record.
I don't care.
I'm a reindeer.
I'm a reindeer.
That'd be a great song to make.
Oh, I hate these kinds of levels.
Come on, it's just a... It's just Tri-Bones, your favorite character. Wait, really? Already?
No, I hate maze levels, like doors and all that.
Come on, man, I find them exciting.
Oh.
Opportunities, something like that, fun.
Oh, come on.
Come on, man, this ain't hard. You're just being Super Mario.
Sounds like that guy needs some Listerine. You're not underwater, how's this? Oh my god. Haha.
What you now? Maker. You're Mario Maker.
I can't pick up the POW.
Yeah, you can't do that in the original Super Mario.
Shit.
Shit. Ah! Oh, you're such a
I
piece.
hate the old one.
Suck this dick.
I'd rather not. God darn it.
Swim, man! 20 seconds! 10. 9. 8. 7. Dump. Crash Master says in TNA?
You're so dumb,
Find
you're
out
so
the
dumb, you
chocolate
blow.
sauce tomorrow.
Oh, damn it. You so dumb, you so dumb, you so dumb, you blow my mind. You so dumb, you so dumb.
I had no girlfriend.
Yeah, he had a girlfriend for about 3 years. You should have made a vlog about it, be like, fuck you, Tori.
Nah.
She would
I'm
never...
respectful when it comes to ex-girlfriends. I'm gonna get Melon comment saying, Dylan, be disrespectful. Make a vlog about saying, fuck off. Nope, not happening. Only reason why it won't last way longer, but she lives in Michigan.
Yeah, and we live in Bedford, Indiana, at 244 H Street.
Send me stuff!
Break into his house and make him cry like a baby.
Wait, Brent, and I will make a video if you send me stuff. Send me stuff with this address. I'll put in the description. The link down below.
Oh, Mr. How am I supposed to do that?
Like a boss. Booze! I'm a booze!
This music is good. I
Where
don't know where I go.
Over there! To the right?
It's the left.
That's the right. This is
I
left.
know. I'm playing with your bubbles.
Maybe this is how you're supposed to beat it. Just keep going. Don't stop for anything. Ah!
Except for that.
Yeah, maybe that. But nothing else, though. So, I need another girlfriend. Too bad.
Another boyfriend. Maybe.
I'm not getting water. I've never had a boyfriend.
Just ask his prayer. You'll figure out the truth.
Oh! Oh my god!
That was actually easy. Why'd that take me so long?
Oh shit! Go down and check the time! Goodbye!